So let's start with chapter 41, the deception of specific cases, conjunction fallacy. So this chapter we will read from the summary. I put down the summary here. It's like very a bit difficult. Okay, so chapter 41 explains mental glitch. There is a mental glitch called conjunction fallacy, which we will understand here. Okay, which is also known as the deception of specific cases. So this is basically what कि हम लोग को कोई एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर कोई चीज़ के ऊपर मिल जाता है तो वी टेंड टू लाइक उसके तरफ हम वी टेंड टू बी इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स दैट थिंग. Okay, let's see the examples, then you will be able to understand it in much better sense. So to understand how it's worked, the author asks you to imagine 35-year-old man named Chris. Okay, he is a 35-year-old man named Chris. Chris studied social philosophy, spent years working for the Red Cross in West Africa, and wrote his master's thesis on corporate social responsibility. Given that background, which of these two scenarios do you think is more likely? So he studied the social philosophy, spent years working for Red Cross in West Africa, master thesis likha, and worked on corporate social responsibility. Sorry, master thesis. He wrote master thesis on CSR, corporate social responsibility. So given that background, which of the two scenarios do you think is more likely? Chris works for a major bank. Chris works for a major bank. Chris works for a major bank where he runs its Third World Aid Foundation. Okay, so people will think that most people immediately what option will you choose? You will choose B because it sounds more fancy. Okay, so most people immediately choose B because it fits Chris' life story perfectly. Okay, because he was a philosopher, he studied philosophy, worked on social responsibility, Red Cross. So we thought that it fits its story perfectly. However, this is the wrong answer. Option B adds an extra condition to option A. Okay, there is extra condition. Like first he worked on only a major bank, but here he is works for a major bank where एक डिपार्टमेंट होगा उसके अंदर का, उसके अंदर ये थर्ड वर्ल्ड एड फाउंडेशन वाले डिपार्टमेंट को संभाल रहा है. ओके, so option B adds an extra condition to option A. The number of people who work specifically in banks, third world foundation is just a tiny subset of all the people who work for a bank. Therefore, option A is mathematically much more likely. Okay, समझ में आया कि ये टाइनी पोर्शन होगा, एकदम इस बैंक का एक टाइनी पोर्शन होगा, टाइनी सबसेट. ओके, उसके बाद फिर we fall for this policy because our brains are naturally attracted to harmonious or plausible stories. The more convincingly a story is painted, the greater our risk of false reasoning. So our brain is attracted to harmonious or plausible stories. Okay, जो हो सकता है. यहाँ पे जैसे this was possible कि वो इसमें वर्क किया because इसका past history वैसे ही था. Okay, you can see this another quick example which is more likely. Seattle airport is closed. Seattle airport is closed due to bad weather. Your brain probably likes option B better because it provides a neat explanation. But option A is actually much more likely. कोई और reason भी हो सकता है ना, not just bad weather. Option A includes many things, bad weather, but it can also include bomb threats, accidents, strikes, etc. So that's why this thing is there. Okay, our brain thinks option B, but option A might be much more good. The Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman explains that we fall for this because we use two different types of thinking: kind, automatic kind, and automatic thinking, like automatic kind of thinking, and a rational, slow, logical kind. Okay, two types of thinking are there: intuitive, fast, automatic kind, and rational, slow, logical kind. So, unfortunately, our fast, intuitive thinking jumps to a conclusion based on a plausible story long before our conscious, logical mind can step in. तो फास्ट माइंड पहले इंटू कंक्लूजन ले लेता है लॉन्ग बिफोर जो रैशनल माइंड है वो आए. ठीक है, इसके बाद तो इस चैप्टर से की लर्निंग्स क्या है? बी अवेयर ऑफ प्लॉजिबल स्टोरी. जस्ट बिकॉज द स्टोरी मेक्स परफेक्ट सेंस, स्टोरी परफेक्ट सेंस में मेक करेगा. जैसे कि सिएटल एयरपोर्ट इज क्लोज ड्यू टू बैड वेदर, दिस स्टोरी मेक्स परफेक्ट सेंस. Okay, so just because the story makes a perfect sense and is packed with convenient, harmonious details does not mean it is highly probable. Okay, और ये packed with convenient, harmonious details है तो it is not likely that it is highly probable. Extra conditions, lower probability. ओके, एक्स्ट्रा कंडीशन लोअर्स प्रोबेबिलिटी, लाइक यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा कंडीशन आ गया बैड वेदर, तो ये प्रोबेबिलिटी को कम कर दिया, बट अदर थिंग्स कुड हैव हैपेंड. Okay, remember that any time an additional condition has been met, has to be met, the event naturally becomes less likely, no matter how believable the explanation sounds. ये explanation sound बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, but it is less likely. Okay. फिर इंगेज योर स्लो ब्रेन, जब डिसीजन लेते हैं तो ये वाला ब्रेन जो होता है लॉजिकल माइंड को आने दो. इंगेज योर स्लो ब्रेन मेकिंग बॉडीज, जस्ट डोंट रिलाई ऑन फास्ट इंट्यूटिव थिंकिंग, टेक अ मोमेंट टू एंगेज योर कॉन्शियस रैशनल ब्रेन टू लुक पास्ट द नाइसली पैकेज डिटेल्स. यहाँ से रीड एक बार बस जस्ट रीड कर लेते हैं चैप्टर को. सो क्रिस 35 years का है. ही स्टडीड सोशल फिलोसफी एंड इंटरेस्ट इन डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज सिंस ही वाज teenager. After graduation, he worked for 2 years with the Red Cross in West Africa and 3 years, and then for 3 years in Geneva headquarters, where he rose to head of the African Aid Department. He then completed MBA, writing his thesis on corporate social responsibility. More likely क्या होगा, क्रिस मेजर बैंक के लिए वर्क कर रहा है. अब मेजर बैंक का थर्ड वर्ल्ड फाउंडेशन के लिए, ए और बी. We will choose B. Unfortunately, it is the wrong answer. Option B does not say that Chris worked for a major bank, but also that additional condition has been met. Employees who work specifically within a bank's third world foundation comprise a tiny subset of bankers. बहुत छोटे लेवल पे होता है डिपार्टमेंट टाइप. Therefore, option A is much more likely. The conjunction fallacy is at play when such subset seems larger than the entire set, which by definition cannot be the case. Amos Tversky and Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman have studied this extensively. We are easy prey to conjunction fallacy because we have an innate attraction to harmonious or plausible stories. The more convincingly, impressively, or vividly that crashes the aid worker is portrayed, the greater the risk of false reasoning. If I had to put it the different way, you would have recognized the extra details as overly specific. For example, Chris is 35, which is more likely. Chris works for a bank or Chris works for a bank in New York, where his office is on 24th floor, overlooking Central Park. Here's another example which is more likely. Seattle airport closed, uh, flights are cancelled, or Seattle will be closed due to bad weather. Flights are cancelled. A or B. So we will choose. This time you have it. A is more likely since B implies that an additional condition has been met, namely bad weather. It could be that the bomb threat accident or a strike closed the airport. However, when faced with plausible story, we don't stop to consider such things. Now that you are aware of this, try it out with friends. You will see that most pick option B. Okay, because बैड वेदर वाला कंडीशन मोस्ट प्लॉजिबल स्टोरी लग रहा है इसीलिए. Even experts are not immune to conjunction fallacy. In 1982 International Conference of Future Research Experts, all of them academics, were divided into two groups. To group A, Daniel Kahneman presented the following forecast: oil consumption decreased by 30%. ठीक है, 30% होगा. ग्रुप बी heard a dramatic rise in oil prices, 30% reduction in oil consumption. Both groups led to indicative how likely they considered scenarios. The result was clear. Group B felt much more strongly about the forecast than Group A. Okay. प्राइस राइज के चलते ऑयल का कंजम्पशन गिर जाएगा, और यहाँ पे खाली बोला कि ऑयल कंजम्पशन गिर जाएगा, इसीलिए यहाँ पे फिर हम लोग को द रिजल्ट ग्रुप बी फेल्ट मच मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. ग्रुप बी को ज़्यादा वो लगा कि हाँ ये तो होना ही होना है. ग्रुप ए उतना नहीं सोचा कि गिरेगा, क्योंकि ग्रुप ए में डायरेक्ट बोला ऑयल कंजम्पशन डिक्रीज है 30%, बट यहाँ बोला प्राइस राइज के चलते ऑयल कंजम्पशन गिर जाएगा. Kahneman believes that two types of thinking exist. The first kind is intuitive, automatic, and direct. The second is conscious, rational, slow, laborious, and logical. Unfortunately, intuitive thinking draws conclusions long before the conscious mind does. For example, I experienced this after the 9/11 attack on the World Trade Center. I wanted to take out travel insurance and came across a firm that offered special terrorism cover. देखो, वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर में अटैक हुआ, तो सम travel insurance companies were selling travel insurance by additionally saying terrorism cover, but all insurance already covers terrorism, but they are specifically mentioning, suppose there are 5 insurance companies, 4 are not saying that terrorism cover is there, but in the policy it is there. They are not advertising it, but the fifth is advertising it, and people are going to the fifth company to buy insurance. Okay, that's happening. So he the author also fell prey to this. So although other policy protected against all the possible indications, including terrorism, automatically fell for the offer. The high point of the whole farce was that I was willing to pay even more for this enticing yet redundant add-on. In conclusion, forget about left brains and right brains. The difference between intuitive and conscious thinking is much more significant. With important decision, remember that at intuitive level we have a soft spot for plausible stories. Therefore, be on the lookout for convenient details and happy endings. Remember, if an additional condition has to be met, no matter if an additional condition, no matter how plausible it sounds, it will become less, not more likely. Okay, so that's the thing. This is the conclusion. This is the chapter. The deception of specific cases, conjunction fallacy. Okay, स्पेसिफिक केसेस में बहुत सारे केसेस में वी फेल इनटू डिसेप्शन कि मोस्ट लाइकली होगा प्लॉजिबल स्टोरी लग रहा बट इट इज़ नॉट द केस. थैंक यू वेरी मच.